सब याद रखा जाएगा, सब कुछ याद रखा जाएगा। और तुम्हारी लाठियों और गोलियों, बमों, बंदूकों, तोपों से जो कत्ल हुए हैं मेरे यार सब, उनकी याद में दिलों को बर्बाद रखा जाएगा। सब याद रखा जाएगा, सब कुछ याद रखा जाएगा।
For some fun, to add some fun to the topic of migration, because we need to look at migration.
You're also having to look at who's gone but who replaces. And in that
India is home to a large number of internally displaced people.
ethnicity, religion, race, etc., and all the gender, etc. But nationality.
and reverse and talking to people, they told us like how they have
Immigration caused me and opened the doors for me for better platforms and better places to be with more people from different places of the world.
16 में जब थोड़ा बहुत एक्सेप्ट करना शुरू किया है स्कूल में भी, तो उसके बाद जो है वो 2017 में पढ़ाई 10 तक पढ़ने के बाद इजाज़त नहीं लिया है 10 एग्ज़ाम देने के लिए, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट पेपर है बोल के।
Either being forcibly displaced or know somebody who's been forcibly displaced.
These are very large problems, and I don't know whether a session or a panel. I'm glad you're doing this, by the way. Very few fora actually exist for us to talk about this sort of things. But it's so monumental, the scale of what we are doing to ourselves, that I think that we need to, as a nation, as a people, we need to think about what it is that we've done at the right point in time, perhaps also introspect.
So congratulations to the Azadi project. I think it was a wonderful event where you organized, brought in a lot of policymakers, thinkers.
So I'm very happy to be at this convention. The work that is being done by the Azadi Project on refugees is very important, and I'm very happy to be able to help in any way that I can. It was undoubtedly a very informed discussion that I saw today of some of the best experts in the field.
For me, Azadi is about not just one country, one community. Azadi for the whole humanity, something we've forgotten. And in this event, I saw glimpses of that. Azadi for those who've crossed international borders. Azadi for those who've crossed sexual boundaries. Azadi for those who walked across in this country, this multi-dimensional understanding of Azadi. And thanks for enabling me to connect with that deeper civilizational heritage.
Being at this event and listening to the speakers as well as the issues that have been raised is critically important, because these issues are invisibilized in policy, in human rights discourses, in labor discourses, in health and in mental health as well. This conference and this event is a very good starting point to engage with many of these issues.
सब याद रखा जाएगा, सब कुछ याद रखा जाएगा। और तुम्हारी लाठियों और गोलियों, बमों, बंदूकों, तोपों से जो कत्ल हुए हैं मेरे यार सब, उनकी याद में दिलों को बर्बाद रखा जाएगा। सब याद रखा जाएगा, सब कुछ याद रखा जाएगा।